today we're making it and subscribe to our channel. Okay, this is a fish tank, a really cool fish tank. It's orange fishy, and got some fishy, two fishy here. Got some bubble here, and got some leaf here, and got some these different fishy. Got some same fishy, and got some one fishy here. And got the money thing. Got the money thing. Look at the side. This is not money. This is broccoli and I don't know what is this thing, but yeah. Okay. And we got Millie. This is Golden Duck Millie. And got Golden Duck Salty, and got Golden Duck Stanley. And we got Rosie, the Golden Duck Rosie. And got Charlie, the Golden Duck Charlie. And we got Salty, the Golden Duck Salty. Really cool, and you can have this character here. So yeah, got Emily here. It's not going dark. It's not going dark. And this is Charlie, the Golden Duck Charlie. Right here, but she got glasses. Got a little bit horn here, big horn. We got Stanley. We got this guy, cat guy, and the train. I'm gonna show the number. And wait. I did something. Here it is, number 6. Yes, number 6. Really cool and epic. Got the same on the 6. And we got Annie. Got Annie here. Cool Annie here. Got black hands. Got white wheels. Got some black up here, but speed. This was some brown here. Got some window here. Put top of the train. Please speed look like that. And I never see Annie walk before, but this Spencer. Here's this guy here. Satyr and stuff. Satyr's really cool. And got also Thomas the Train. Thomas the Train dad. And yeah, we got Space Golden. That's why I'm black. You didn't know, you guys. And got some gray. And we got some and we got this guy here. This really cool bunny guy here, and got this guy here. Okay. There's a bunny Rosie, and same with this guy and this guy. And there's a lot of him. So look. Really epic. Okay, now we got Spencer. And we got some Spencer here. And we got Rainbow Emily. There's 2 Emily. And there's 3 guys, more than the other Emily. We got some police guy. I mean, there's a belly guy. Belly. Look cool, look. And then we got Charlie. Got some cool. And we got Jersey. Percy. Not Jersey. Percy. Percy. We just stay friends. Where's Thompson train track? We stay friends. Got a money thing now. Oh, we got yeah, the other guy in this thing can move. Stinger. Cool dinger. Got some sushi dinger. Some food truck thing. A lot of characters. We got Toby. He's Toby. 7. It was Anne. Here's Annie. Together, so we love together. Mash things. The boy one is the girl one. This is a the hopscotch. See this thing here? Really cool. And I got the same types of train. There's 2 types of train here. Got same one. Got square eyebrows. Got tongue out. Stuff. We got Albert. Ealing eye. But I don't know what's the name. Purr? Got some eel in here. Space rocket here. We got some space rocket here. It's a cool space rocket here. Cool eel. We got this guy. We got James. The ball here. I just got some trophy here. We got train. Look, so we got sugar. Bye guys. Have a nice day.